Have you ever tried this easy and delicious recipe, beans and roasted plantain? Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Basse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your beans and roasted plantain recipe. These are the ingredients we're using: our beans, our grated pepper and tomato, red oil, that's a palm oil, seasoning cube, ginger and garlic powder, our dried and fresh onion, and these are all the ingredients you need. So in a pot, make sure you rinse your beans, and then we're just going to add our beans straight to our pot. Then we're just going to add our onion. For this video, I'm using dried onion and also fresh onion, that's sliced fresh onion. I'm going to mix together and then cover it and allow it to boil until it is very soft or it's properly cooked. This took more than 30 minutes, and at this stage I'm just trying to check it to see but my beans is ready. So what I'm going to do is set it aside and sieve it and bring out my other pot to make our base. So in the pot I'm going to add our red oil and also our sliced onion. I'm going to mix this together and allow it to saute for a few seconds. And after allowing it to saute for just a few seconds, I'm just going to add my grated pepper and tomato. Then mix together and allow it to combine together. Then I'm going to add a little bit of our seasoning cube and also our salt. Then ginger and garlic powder. Then we're just going to mix together. After mixing together, I'm just going to allow this to sit for just 1 minute. Then we're just going to add our sieved cooked beans. Then we're just going to mix this together until it is combined together. Then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to steam. And while that is happening, time for us to work on our roasted plantain. So we're just going to peel our plantain. And after peeling it, I prefer to slice my plantain in two. This way it gets cooked evenly without stress of turning it. Just sliced it in the middle, and then I'm just going to arrange it on my baking tray. Then I'm just going to put it in the oven, and within 15 to 18 minutes, this is what we have. It is ready. So I'm just going to check my beans, and at this stage this is what we have. Our beans is cooked and our plantain too is ready. Time for us to serve. So this is what we have, served with our roasted plantain. So let me know what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.